Origo is a distribution company and we distribute for quality brands. We've the one location here, everything happens from this premises. This is core to all our activities. We are what we would call a value-added marketing distribution company. It's not just straightforward boxes in, boxes out. The total product range here of in excess of 60,000 product items. We would sell right across semi-states, industrials, building, retail. So it's quite a diverse business. Like everything else, it's got its complexities. The term we use in Origo is technology as an enabler.
Microsoft Dynamics NAV is crucial to the way we do business. It runs across the whole business, whether it be sales, marketing, logistics, procurement, credit control, finance, and even IT. The business that we in Origo are in involves a lot of transactions, in excess of 350 orders a day. They could range from one item picks to hundreds of items on each order. It's paramount that we handle that in the most efficient manner. We put in the infrastructure that we believe can handle that level of detail. Our whole warehousing operation is run through the system.
Dynamics NAV is just fantastic for producing reports. It's given us a competitive edge in our ability to be able to analyse margins, for example, and where margins are slipping and how to act immediately. So it gives us the ability to be able to act quickly. When I produce a report in front of our suppliers, they are blown away by the speed that I can have something in front of me, right down to the detail of customers and products. Customers have noticed over the last 5 years the massive change in our company. Our efficiencies, our effectiveness, our delivery systems has just been transformed.
5-6 years ago, when an order came in here, it would take possibly up to a week to be delivered to the customer. Now we know that when the order comes in, we can advise the customer where the order is in the process, whether it's been picked, whether it's been packed, whether it's been dispatched. But we can state categorically that 99% of orders in today leave here today, so all customers can expect a 24-hour delivery. People would have to go from their desks upstairs from the sales desk down into the warehouse to establish have we got something in stock. That's no longer the case. We have now 98% stock accuracy. So all our salespeople now leave here with a laptop, they go out to the customer, they're linked back to the system here. They can get right up-to-date information in terms of stocks, in terms of the customer's history, in terms of credit control, all of that prior to a visit and during the visit with the customer. Before we brought in the Dynamics NAV system, we couldn't start working on the next month until everything had been processed for the previous months. That's no longer the case. We can continue on and work on the previous month simultaneously. The system has been fundamental. It's core to the business now.
Microsoft Dynamics NAV was very easy to implement and continues to be so as we add modules or additions to the system. As we grow, the system grows with us and it fits the business. We change our processes, the system fits those processes and not vice versa. The user interface is very user-friendly. The users themselves can decide how the screen looks, they can make whatever changes they need. It's also important that it looks like the Microsoft Office stable of products. It's very similar to the likes of Access, Excel, and they can pull and drag information between the two sets of products.
The take-on of the product has been superb in terms of people finding it easy to use, user-friendly, the acceptability of it to all our users right throughout the organisation. And you're looking at sales people, finance people, operations people, service people. Everybody finds it a very, very useful tool. These have been exciting years to work in Origo. We keep pushing Dynamics NAV to see what can it do more for us, what's next, and certainly there is no obstacles. So in terms of where Origo is going, there's no doubt that Dynamics NAV is going to be part of that story in the future. The selection of Microsoft Dynamics NAV has been one of the best decisions this company has ever made. My personal point of view, it's been a godsend, this product. It's changed my life, but not only that, it's certainly changed the way we do business here, and it's enabled that change all the way through.